Wow. The City of Angels. Finally. Consuelo!
Don't call me that. It's Tiffany.
Sorry, Tiffany. I'm just so excited. Where are you?
Keep walking down the block.
Coming.
Keep walking down the block.
I'm right ahead, babe. Hurry. Tiffany, I don't see you. Are you sure? There's no one around.
Lucia? Hello? See ya. Room 1016. Your package is on her way. My debt's cleared after this, right?
Can't wait to unwrap that. If I have a good time with her, I'll lower your interest next time.
Take care of her aunt and uncle. Once they're gone, she's all yours.
Oh, shit. Somebody spiked my drink.
Okay, come on, baby. Come on.
No.
It's okay.
Stop, get off me.
Easy, baby. Easy. I can't wait to make you squirm.
No. Don't get off me.
Ah, you're a fighter. I love that. I'm going to take real good care of you. Yeah. You want this, don't you? You want this, don't you? Oh, fucking bitch! Oh, you're gonna pay for that. Oh!
Don't play.
Mr. Vaughn, what are you doing here? Get the fuck out now! Oh, hey, are you okay? Listen to me, hey, are you okay, huh?
I'm fine.
Hey, are you okay?
So
No, stop. Almana fue.
where am I? Ay, Dios mío, no way. Ay, Dios mío, no way. He saved me, and I hooked up with him? Sorry, nice guy. I kinda had to steal this. Thank you. My Thea and Thea's food truck should be around here somewhere. But it's best.
No, we've been here for 10 years! Hey! What is this? Come on! We're legal! Yes! No, mija. Stay back. Don't take them too. No, please. Por favor, no. Por favor. Por favor.
Casa Sol. Sounds like home. This is the only hope I have.
Some nights you only remember the fire. Soul of the fire. Got too close to the flame. Lost her name. And face.
Maybe the guy owns this place? Please. I really need a miracle right now.
Reservations?
I'm just looking for somebody. A man, tall, late 20s. I got this from him.
Casa Sol really isn't a place that you just wander into off the street. You're looking for a man? There's a nice taqueria about 2 blocks down the street. Chica.
Helen? Oh my God! Someone! Help! She can't breathe!
Wait, where are you going?
Has she done anything?
We told the server about the nut allergy.
The mola sauce is made with almonds. It isn't nut-free.
That's impossible. That recipe has no nuts. We triple check everything.
Then someone messed up because I can smell it.
Excuse me?
EpiPen! EpiPen! Does anyone have an EpiPen? Now!
Thank you, sweetheart. You saved her life.
Damn, she didn't even hesitate.
Sir, this is unprecedented. We have strict protocol.
Protocols should be avoiding giving the district guests with allergies at all, or having better substitutes.
They're in their 60s, bodies falling apart all which way. Who knows what set her off?
There you go.
Okay. My abuela had the same allergy with pines. We always carried an EpiPen anywhere we went back home.
Thank you, sweetheart. We saved for months for our anniversary. 35 years married today.
Happy anniversary. Don't let some jerk ruin it for you.
The hell you say?
Kevin, enough. Miss.
Alvarez. Lucia Alvarez.
Miss Alvarez, how would you like to work here? You handled that better than any of our staff ever could. We could use someone with your sharp instincts on food, like you.
Thank you, sir, but I'm actually just looking for somebody, thinking he might be the owner here, but I clearly walked into the wrong place. Sorry for the trouble.
Miss, wait.
Anything she needs, help her. Give it to her. Keep my name out of it. I'm just a guest.
Our owner is out of town for the next 2 weeks, but I know when he returns, he'd like to thank you personally. We have fair wages, paid by the week, staff housing. It's not fancy, but it's clean and it's safe. You can start tomorrow.
2 weeks, a bed, money coming in. Time to find a lawyer for Tio Pedro and Tia Rosa. When the owner comes back, maybe he can help, if he's the man who saved me last night. Okay. I'm in.
What?
How did my girl play last night, Harvey?
Play? You two bitches fucking played me. Goddamn Julian Vaughn snatched her. I didn't get shit.
The Julian Vaughn? The billionaire restaurateur? Hello? That bitch gets Julian Vaughn? No fucking way. Hey, babe. You okay? Where were you last night? I was freaking out.
Yeah, got into some mess, but
Someone pulled me out. I'm fine.
So, where did you crash last night? Don't tell me you slept with that someone.
Yeah, I did, but that's the last thing on my mind right now.
Really? You're not even a little bit curious to find out who he was?
My Tia and Theo were taken by IBE this morning. That's all I can think about.
Oh, babe, I am so sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna be busy for the next few days, so good luck with that. Talk later, bye! Dumb bitch. Gets a billionaire and fumbles him? He's all mine.
Miss, what do you need?
Holy shit. This place. Where is he?
Julian! I need to see you!
Julian is not home, mija.
Oh, mija, me. What are you? The maid here? Call him now. Tell him I'm the girl from last night, and he took my virginity.
There's a young lady here, very upset. It says you took her virginity.
Her hair. Wasn't she brunette? Did she change her hair? You're her from last night?
Yes, I'm Tiffany. Tiffany Blake.
Miss Blake, hi. Look, I'd just like to start off by saying that I was not myself last night. And if there's anything I can do to make this up to you, please just name it.
You think I'm here for money? You're just gonna dip and run?
No, that's Tiffany. That's not exactly what I meant.
Last night, it was my first time. I was saving myself for marriage, for someone I could trust.
Okay, well, perhaps you could stay here. And we could get to know each other first.
Sure thing, babe. I'll unpack right now.
Hey, could you check something out for me, please?
Was this the woman with Mr. Vaughn last night?
Wait. Yeah, that's her. It's done. Now you owe me 10 grand, plus the 20 from before.
That's chump change to me now, Harvey. Just you wait. Pretty soon, I'll be the new Mrs. Vaughn.
You two must be the help.
I think she's mistaking you as the main Mrs. Vaughn.
This new girlfriend of Julian's is a gold digger. Just play along. We prepare your food, Miss Blake.
I need an acai bowl. Now.
Se cree gringa pura, como si no se le notara el maíz desde chiquita.
Y esas raíces negras, más cargadas que el café.
What did you just say? I want more berries. Do you two always chat this much? This is America. We speak English here.
Ah, yes, America, of course. Beautiful continent, Miss Blake.
Here you go. Pulpo a la parrilla. That dark sauce is our salsa negra, made from charred chilies and a little octopus ink. Smoky and chocolatey.
Thank you. We need new salsa for the tacos al pastor. Why don't you give it a shot, sauce queen?
You want me to make the salsa?
Exactly. Chop chop.
So, special salsa requested by Kevin, huh?
Mm-hmm. Let's make something you can't just call rustic and throw away.
Tabasco en tu boca, me tomas gotas rojas, me dejas en llamas y me das de beber.
Holy shit, girl. This one bites, then hugs you. You trying to take my station, huh?
Just getting started.
Lots of heat. Very, rustic. We charge $300 a head. People don't want to taste food truck with their wine pairing.
It's called flavors.
Here, let me just throw this out for you. Ooh. Here, let me just throw this out for you. Ooh.
¡Chingada madre!
Oops. Butterfingers.
Let's get that cleaned up. Oy. Walken's got spare uniforms on the top shelf. Doors stick sometimes, so prop it open with the milk crate. I'll get you a clean apron. Lucia, be right back!
Como un eco en la distancia que aprendí a recordar. El que ya no va a brillar.
It's you.